First of all, I will explain how to construct an equilateral triangle whose sides are a given length. So we want an equilateral triangle whose sides are the length of this line segment here. So what you do is you get a compass, put the compass point at one of the endpoints, open the compass so that its radius equals the length of this line segment. Then we draw a circle with the same radius, but this time centered at the other endpoint. We note where the circles intersect. Next we just complete this triangle. So the three sides of this triangle are equal to the radii of these circles. These circles have equal radii. So the distance of here to here is the radius of a circle, as you can see. The distance of here to here is the radius of this circle here. The distance of here to here is the radius of the second circle, but the radii of both circles are the same. So the three lines here are the same. An interesting fact about equilateral triangles is that the three angles of an equilateral triangle are equal to 60 degrees. Now, we want to prove that these three angles are equal and that they equal 60 degrees. So we use a previous result about isosceles triangles. We see that A and B are opposite equal sides, and we know from a previous video that if they're equal opposite sides, then they're equal to each other. So we could think of this as an isosceles triangle. Similarly, A equals C, because angles A and C are opposite equal sides also. A is opposite this side and C is opposite this side. So we can think of this as an isosceles triangle where the two equal sides are this side and this side here. So if A is equal to B and if A is equal to C, then B must equal C, because both B and C are equal to the same thing. So that means that all three of them are equal to each other. But of course, the three angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. So if these three angles are the same, it's like saying 3 times A is 180, or 3 times B is 180, or 3 times C is 180. So if we divide across by 3, we see that each of the angles must be 60 degrees.